has the shorts.
Meanwhile,
sige, suotan mo na siya. Sige, go. Akit na muna kayo sa bubble bath. Oh, Harvey, oh. Akit dito, Harvey. Akit yan.
Let me get some shampoo.
Labalag lang. Ate, yung ano, pants mo.
Harvey, wash your head. Wash your head. Wash your hands. This. Why does he have the shorts?
What's that, duck?
Ma'am, halika lang.
Oh, si Harvey. Ayaw niya dyan, kasi pang girl yan. What's that?
Ikaw na lang ang magiging cashier.
What's that? Lemon. Ayun. What's that?
Bumili ako ng Yakult sa'yo.
Price? Donut, oh, Harvey. Oh, donut. Oh, ice cream. Oh, ice cream. Ice cream.
No, you didn't.
No donut.
Yes,
Ice cream.
I get the one.
Si Harvey. Harvey, what's that?
I'll get some.
Harvey. Yasi dyan, pasok na kayo. Oh, pasok, pasok, pasok. Go! Oh. Harvey, alis dyan.
Ang gulo!
Tomato. Ito, Harvey, oh, fish, oh. Fish, oh. Ito, fish, oh. Yan, get fish. Yan, oh. Sa baba. This one. Ate, bigay mo fish kay Harvey. Sa
You
baba.
can have a basket.
Ayan, sa baba. Tsaka doon sa taas, bigyan mo siya ng fish.
You want fish? Ang laki naman nito eh.
Ang laki ng fish.
Kuha ka dyan, kahit anong gusto mo. Thank you. Yum, yum, yum.
Wait lang, naglalaro pa sila.
Have cup. Harvey, halika. Maglaro tayo ng police and criminals. Halika, Harvey. Police.
No, sis. Oh, sleep na si Harvey daw. Sleep na daw si Harvey.
Harvey, suotin mo to. Suotin mo to.
Ang gulo na ng buhok ni Harvey. Yan.
Sit down. Just only stay here, okay? I'm going to get your food. Harvey, I will be getting your food, okay? Okay? Tama? Let me get some food for Harvey.
Harvey, what color is this? Purple. Mukhang pag-alis natin, iiyak ah.
A few moments later.